your immune defense and repair system is constantly surveilling the environment. It is responsible for repairing you. It is more than immune defense. It is repair process. And therefore, you innately have a certain level of immune reaction going on all the time just to rebalance you, to restore you, to renew you. But when you're under stress or exposed to some toxin or exposed to some pathogen, you have an enhancement of selective parts of that immune defense and repair system. That's called adaptive immunity. Very important, in fact, essential for a healthy life.